The Mizoram police late Wednesday night seized 29.289 kilograms of methamphetamine at Aizaul's Zemabak locality and arrested a Myanmar national. The seized item is worth Rs 380.757 in the local market. A team of Mizoram police with the help of CID, SB and Special Narcotic PS staff while conducting operation last night at Zemabak Biro Lao intercepted one vehicle Scorpio B/R number MZ01AB 5750 coming from Zokatar, recovered and seized 30 packets of suspected methamphetamine hidden in a false chamber at the middle row and rear row seats of the vehicle. The team apprehended Langtham Mua of 30 years of Tahan E Group Myanmar at Thong Tai Mall, Zemabak. Special Narcotic Police Station number 47/24, date 28/11/2024, US 22C/25 ND and PS Act 1985 R/W 14A Foreigners Act was registered for further legal action and investigation on backward and forward linkages.